Students, today we will study the star. Star in the previous class that's I have discussed. Star is the luminous object and it is giving the light always, and it is the attracting the planets in the universe. So many stars togetherly that's forming one compound form or compound structure that is called as the constellations. So in the constellations there more than one stars togetherly that is found, and that is formed sometimes, that's compound structure if you will connect them by one imaginary line, that is called the constellations. Different types of the constellations that is found in the night sky, if you will follow them in the cloud free sky, if you will watch, you can see different types of the constellations or the compound form of the stars. Which are they? Number 1 is the Ursa Major, number 2 is the Cassiopeia and Orion. These three types constellations mainly that is found. Ursa Major, it is the constellation that is containing the 7 stars. The structure is just like the questioning mark like structure. Sometimes it is called as the Great Bear because the structure sometimes it is look like a bear like structure. This is the tail and this is the body. This type, that is the imaginary structure that is found in Ursa Major, that is called the one constellation. And the Ursa Major, the 7 star that is named by the 7 great sage in India, that is the Kratu, Pulaho, Pulasto, Atri, Angira, Vasishtha, Marichi. These 7 name of these stars togetherly that's forming the structure of Ursa Major. And at the 90-degree angle of this Ursa Major, there one brightest star that is found. This is called the polar star. Why it is polar star? Because it is situated always in the North Pole, and it is its fixed form, or we can say the fixed location, by which, by seeing the polar star in the ancient historical period, the sailor they used to detect their track during the voyage, which is situated almost 90-degree angle with this Ursa Major. Next, number 2 is the Cassiopeia. 5 total stars are found there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 stars are found here, and the structure is almost W-shaped. That is one W-shaped structure that is found the Cassiopeia. Next is the Orion. The structure is almost like a person, or we can say a fighter like structure. Total 8 stars will be found here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the entire structure of the Orion. This is supposed its head, and this is the hip portion, and this to its leg. So this is the structure is just like one fighter, that is called as the Orion. So what you have to study in this whole, the star and the constellations. The star, that is the luminous, and it is following the planets, bigger than the planets, that you know already in the discussed I have the previous class. And many stars togetherly, that's called constellations. Different types of constellations, when those are found, and their structures. This you have to study.